Hi, I'm Leanne, and this is my review of the Jesolo couch by Ashley Furniture. So we bought this 1 year ago, and there were a few things I wanted. This is microfiber, super easy to clean. We have 3 little kids. We spill on this all the time. I can wipe them down and have them looking brand new within 5 minutes. It's also really comfy. The headrest is well cushioned. I'll give you a close-up in a minute. But the recline is manual. You do not need to plug it into the floor. So it's just a simple pull handle, and I'll show you that as well. This is a close-up of the handle. You're just going to pull that back and the footrest extends. Both of the end seats recline. The middle seat does not recline. I want to show how easy this is to clean. So this is most likely yogurt, and I just have water on a cloth here. So I'm just going to wipe down gently, although even when I rub hard, it doesn't impact the microfiber. It's like completely resilient. So once that dries, it'll be impossible to see where the stain once was. Same thing with crackers that we have over here. I can just hit any of these spots and it's going to come right out. Here's a look at the couch with both of the footrests fully extended. So in summary, I wanted a couch that was neutral, that was easy to clean, and that didn't require plugins for the floor, because I also wanted something that reclined. And this sofa met all of my requirements. It's very comfortable. And honestly, it's a purchase that I have recommended to all of my friends, so it's a product that I love.